What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been some time, the reason why I took so long because I was trying to fix a problem that's just way difficult than what I expected. But hope you guys enjoyed this one, and yeah, like, share, comment, and sub up. Let's get into it. What's good, boys? We have found a problem. Hopefully this is the problem. So this pipe here is the problem, gents. This pipe here, this pipe was like, I don't know if you guys can see, this pipe is we have to replace the pipe actually there. Hopefully this does not get the same like that one. The other one was just rubber, no? Can you bring that one too? There's no wire in it. There's only wire on the outside. Yeah, this is just normal rubber. It's not. Hey, thank you for the boys on the Kosa group. I appreciate it. We asked what's the problem because we did not know what's the problem. We tried with the machine. The machine says there's nothing wrong with the car electronically. We tried with two different machines. So for two different machines to tell us, hey, nothing's wrong mechanically or electronically. We tried fault finding physically. For what we see, nothing was the issue. But I opened up, I said, you know what, but there was something wrong with this fuel pump in the past. Let us have a look. Maybe let's listen to the Kosa boys. The Kosa boys know better, because they love these cars, so they'll know exactly what's the problem. So guys, stick around. Let's see if this is a problem. If this is not a problem, it might have an issue. But yeah, stick around, boys. Hopefully this is the problem. So guys, apparently that last pipe that I showed you, we thought it was good quality, but it turns out it wasn't as good as we thought. But on the other hand, that one was 16 millimeter. Yeah, you guys can see. This one is 8. It's a thicker one. Yeah. Yeah, we learn as we go, There's nothing much you can do. Hey. That's how old is it? Yeah. What is this? I want to take this thing out now. Yeah, those cords there. No, this one. Then maybe it gives us more of a clue of what is going on here. Because I don't know, I think it was too long, yeah. So basically, boys, this was the pipe that was in the petrol pump here in the Corsa. So it does look like what we put in was a little more longer than what we're supposed to put in. I think it's supposed to be a little more short. Right here, as you guys can see, like it's bent from both sides, but it doesn't it's not like cracked or anything. It just slipped off, no? Oh, it just slipped off. Yeah, 100% just slipped off, because the fuel pump always consistently just keeps pumping fuel, So what does pipe being bent like that, it's bound to, something's bound to burst or pop or something. So like the pipe that he put in here was a pipe for a housing and not automotive. So I still can't get it wrapped around my head. That pipe done over 20,000 guys.
Sometimes you miracles, sometimes you win.
Let it pump a little. I let it pump a little. I have my reasons why.
I have to move better. I will get to it.
Alright, so boys, after fault finding, we found a few more problems, and to be honest, it wasn't crazy problems. One of which was the clutch, and one was the CV. So I decided to do it, and yeah, let's just continue with the video with that. CV joints, nah. This thing, no?
want to get one bolt in at least.
Wait, can I just align it? Can I just line it?
Yeah.
Opal is teaching me a lot of new things. I'm happy for it. At the same time, I'm very angry for it. But how better is it to learn the hard way, no?
Aye, the hard way. The hard way is always the way.
This is how it looks, guys. It's pretty much out there. You have to put the clutch on. Actually, the clutch on the pressure plate because they already replaced the seal. This is how the seal looks like. Yeah, the seal. Just to be safe, we have to replace seals. You know, it's best to not have an oil leak. But yeah, gearbox has to go in, but it's not gonna go in now. It will go in a few minutes, but for us it's a few days. So yeah. Boys, we were struggling with this clutch. You know what? I'm quite tired, boys. Yeah, that's the second day of us trying to put a gearbox in. I did not record, so my fingers are clean. But I still wear like gloves, you know. We had to change the clutch again, gents. The clutch that we previously put in was not as... It's not, okay, one size it will fit, the other size will just jam, you know, that the right size that you put, like, you know. The petrol heads will know out there, bro. Like, if you buy the wrong clutch, bro, it's just, you know, kind of a waste of money. But anyways, boys, this one is the right one. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the gearbox will go in. But we're just gonna take, you know, a small break because this thing is heavy. This is very heavy.